So yeah, I got scammed. That was fun. What to do when you get scammed? Well, you just sit down and you cry. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new video. If you guys are new here, my name is Colton, and now let's turn off that mood and go back to what I am feeling today. I am extra mad, extra salty, not even gonna lie. So let's just take it out. Let's just have everything already. So if you guys don't know, if you do know, I buy and sell coins and old silver, new silver, whatever, same thing. Not same thing. Okay, you get the point. I buy and sell silver, gold, platinum, all that kind of good stuff. So right here we have 15 silver eagles. And for those of you who do know what it is, here is one of them. Let's see if it'll focus on it. So here is the fake one. You can tell because the date on the bottom is just so big, so great, so beautiful. That's how I feel. So yeah, today in the mail I got 15 Well, those are all fake, so it doesn't really matter. We got... That actually made me laugh. That made me happy. Okay, I have 15 plus the 5 on the floor. Fake silver eagles. They don't stick to a magnet, but they don't weigh right, and they just look off. They just look ugly. So I'm just assuming that they're fake. I mean, they just look and feel fake. They don't make the same sounds. They don't feel like the same kind of texture. It's just a little off. And then this one, I don't know if it's fake yet, but I'm just assuming that it's fake because this is a 1/10 gold maple. I don't think it's ever going to focus because it's just super reflective and all this kind of stuff. But this is a 1/10 gold maple. I spent $700 on all this kind of stuff. A package. Don't worry. She's right here. Let me just do the quick math real quick. Okay, it was a little bit less. I actually only spent $650 on it, and that's like with shipping and all that kind of stuff. So I spent $650 on it, which is pretty much all of my bank account. I had to pay for a class for college, which was like $300, and then I had like a few other things on the way in the mail. And yeah, so my bank account is empty right now, and I got scammed for all of these. I did get this cool holder though. I'm going to use it to hold all of my fake ones. Not happy. So yeah, I have the video of me getting the package. Shout out to, you know, the person who sent me these that I bought them from. What happened was I found them, like I do deals on Instagram. I was talking to a dude and he had a story up and he was kind of just like, yo, I'm selling a bunch of stuff. Here's the prices. Here's the things that I'm selling. Hit me up if you want. So I was like, dang, those are some good prices. So I hit him up and I was like, yo, can I get pictures of these? And he sent me some pictures. I was like, okay, this dude's cool. And they didn't look like stock photos or anything. They looked like he'd taken them just then. So I was like, okay, let's do this. And I was like, okay, so I'm gonna pay for the Eagles first, which was a lot. It's like 400, 500. I can't remember the exact number. And then after that, I paid for the gold. And then he sent me tracking and he shipped it out. And when I got them this morning, it came in this. It was not a very good packaging anyways. I mean, he didn't like protect it at all. Like, it's got a bunch of bangs and whatever, but I mean, they're all fake. So if it got stolen, I mean, it would have been a whatever, but I didn't know that they were fake until I received them this morning. And yeah, I've been just in a salty mood all day because, well, it's gonna be really hard to financially recover from this. There's that meme. It's like, I'm never gonna financially recover from this. Yeah, this is one of those times where like this is gonna be super hard. I'm praying that the gold is real. I'm going to have to go drive like a freaking hour away to the nearest coin store where they have a Sigma, and I'm just gonna get it tested. So hopefully it's real. If it's not, well, I'm gonna just be in a super bad mood. So yeah, I got scammed. That was fun. What to do when you get scammed? Well, you just sit down and you cry. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. What you really do is, well, I mean, we are filing a police report. It's probably not gonna go through. Nothing's probably gonna happen with it just because we don't even know if it's his real name or her real name, if it's real address, if it's like anything's real at all. We don't know. I don't know. I've talked to my dad, my mom, all about this kind of stuff. We don't know. So yeah, not really thinking it's gonna go anywhere. That's what my dad said. I've never done this before, so I don't really know. But yeah, other than that, but yeah, so I got scammed today. It was my first. I've been scammed before for like random crap, which didn't really matter. It was like 10, 15 bucks. But this time, yeah, it was a big dent in my bank account for sure. So that's going to set us back on the $10,000 challenge, a little bit actually. I haven't been selling or buying a lot lately, and the first purchase I make, well, it just freaking sends me back down to the bottom of the freaking food chain. So yeah, we were at, I think it was like 1,800 for the thing. So we're just gonna take off. But yeah, I don't even have 1,800. Even if you took 700 off of 1,800, I don't even have 1,100. Ow, that hurt. I think we're gonna take like 700 off of 1,100, so I maybe have like 300, but then it was a $280 class, so I'm back down to $20 pretty much. So yeah, $10,000 goal for March is going to be a little bit hard, but I have a few things planned, I have a few things scheduled. So yeah, I got scammed for $700. It's not good. I'm not happy, not in a good mood, but you know, we're just gonna keep going, keep moving on. Yeah, hopefully this video was, you guys could laugh with me, laugh at me, whatever works, whatever you want to do, doesn't matter to me. Yeah, I'm just frustrated. I'm gonna be putting the video of me opening the package at the very beginning, probably. So yeah, hopefully this video was cool. Hopefully you guys now know that you can definitely get scammed. Yeah, definitely not fun, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. It really would help me out right now, guys. Everything with the algorithm would help me out right now, please. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Hopefully it's better than mine, and if you guys don't, well, comment down below and I'll try to make it better. Have an amazing day, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, adios, homies.